Hello there, parents. We are all facing uncertain times right now, and we at PRC-Saltillo know that not only have you become your child's teacher, but you have also become their speech-language pathologist. Since some of you may not be totally familiar with the TouchChat website, I wanted to give you a brief tour to point out some items that might be helpful to you. We are going to start at the main page at touchchatapp.com. From there, you will click on the Support tab at the top, and then click on TouchChat Support. If we scroll down here, we do have a section for TouchChat Manual and Quick Reference Guide. You should be able to click on a particular topic in the index of the TouchChat Manual and it will take you right to the correct page. Some other important items will be our live webinars and our recorded webinars. If we click on View Upcoming Webinars for our live webinars, you'll see that we have a couple of TouchChat customization webinars coming up on March 23rd and March 24th. You can register for these for free by clicking Register Now. If you can't make those times, don't worry. If we go back a page and we go to Recorded Webinars, and we scroll down, you can see that we have these same two webinars previously recorded under Recorded Webinars, and you can watch them anytime. If we go back again, we also have support articles under View Support Articles. These are going to be step-by-step articles broken out by category, in case you want to learn something quickly. If you are a more visual learner, we can go back and click on Video Tutorials. These are going to be short video tutorials telling you how to do some of the same things in those support articles. If you aren't already a member of the TouchChat user group on Facebook, you definitely want to join. It's a place where you can go to ask questions, and other members are very helpful in answering those questions. There are a lot of SLPs in the group, as well as other parents and PRC-Saltillo consultants. As always, you can email support@touchchatapp.com or submit a trouble ticket, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. We are all in this together, so please reach out if you need help. Thank you.